Most people get this wrong. They think Baystate Pay Later is just another buy now pay later app with hidden fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has evolved into a fast, transparent, and reliable platform for splitting payments or accessing short-term credit. Here's how it works. Baystate Pay Later allows users to purchase goods or services and pay in installments, typically over a few weeks or months. Funds are approved quickly, and the repayment plan is clearly displayed before checkout. This helps users avoid surprises and plan their budget effectively. One feature that stands out is its seamless integration with online retailers. You can choose Baystate Pay Later at checkout, select your payment schedule, and see exactly how much each installment will be. Unlike some older BNPL apps, there are no hidden interest rates if you follow the repayment schedule. However, it's important to be cautious. Missing a payment can lead to fees and impact your credit profile. The app is best used for planned purchases rather than impulsive spending. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only use Baystate Pay Later for purchases you can realistically repay on time. 2. Set reminders for upcoming payments to avoid late fees. 3. Monitor your overall spending to prevent overextension. Who benefits most? Individuals who like flexible payment options for essential or planned purchases. Those who struggle with impulse buying may need to exercise caution. In conclusion, Baystate Pay Later in 2026 is a practical, transparent tool for managing payments, but only if used wisely. Treat it as a budgeting aid, follow repayment schedules, and plan your spending. Subscribe for honest reviews and practical financial tips.